before you try to come snap on somebody.
Who's snapping?
My boss. I'll snap right back.
Please snap right back.
It smell like chicken.
Yeah, I know.
It smell good too, I ain't lying. 'Cause I ain't had nothing to eat. Uh-oh. Step it up, step it up. Last round. Last round. Double those jabs up. Double jab right hand. Double jab right hand. Bam, bam. Come on with your right. Bam, bam, right hand hook. 4 punches. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on, 1, 2. Come on, come on, come on. Step it up, step it up. Good work, good work. Step it up, step it up. John's with me every day, so he ain't none but this guy. Seven days a week. That's my new son.
The restaurant every evening and everything.
Hey, Coach, the restaurant open. Take to the restaurant. I got money.
Ain't open today.
What?
We don't open till tomorrow.
What you mean?
Wednesday through Sunday.
What do you mean, Stu?
Monday or Tuesday.
They never open when we train.
What do you mean you're not open?
We don't open on Monday and Tuesday. Because I got other things to do now, so, you know, I'm trying to get my club back. I'm not like this better than I do working at a dang restaurant. That's all I'm supposed to do is start it. They're supposed to work it, not me. Where you going, boy?
John, you can't do that. That's on far.
What'd he do? You can't hit nobody in the back. You better wait till he turn back around.
What do you mean?
You know you not getting hit with
I'm not about to let nobody on. I don't need an answer.
They put all the clothes in that closet.
Hey, you ordered that,
Huh? I got some MMA training gloves.